Now, the northeast state of Manipur continues to be on the boil. Day after the students and women took to the streets to protest against the recent spike in violence in the state, instances of brutality continue to emerge. In the latest attack, the ex-Indian Army soldier has been beaten to death after he accidentally crossed over to the buffer zone, making it the 7th death in Manipur in the last 7 days. Meanwhile, a CRPF camp was also attacked in Kangpokpi Hill area. Amid no let-up in violence, schools and colleges will continue to be shut for a second straight day.
एक अबैंडन्ड विलेज है, बहुत कम लोग 7-8-10 लोग ही रहते थे उसमें। तो ये विष्णुपुर साइड से अचानक ऊपर की तरफ से आए हैं और ये एक हमारी कंपनी के लिए भी सरप्राइज था कि ऊपर से आकर के और कंपनी के छत पर इन्होंने रैंडम और रैपिड फायर करना एक साथ, तो हमारे लिए भी एक सरप्राइज था ये। और लेकिन हमारे लड़कों ने बहुत मुस्तैदी के साथ उसका जवाब दिया और इनको वापस भगा दिया। बस उस भगाने के अंदर अंदर में ये लोग किनारे वाले 2 घर को जला करके चले गए। इन्होंने बॉम्ब्स का इस्तेमाल भी किया है, लेकिन हमारे लड़कों ने इनको बेहतरीन मुस्तैदी के साथ भगाया है और सिचुएशन पूरी तरह हमारे कंट्रोल में।
Audio check 1 2 3. This man was killed in the buffer zone, which is very alarming because since the time this conflict started, no violence has been reported at a maximum level at the buffer zone. Family is suspecting that he was first abducted, then this happened. I'm joined by Limphul's son, who's sitting here. How did you come to know about this unfortunate incident? Who told you?
It was from the news that I seen from the WhatsApp news just yesterday morning. From the news, I know this.
Your father had gone to the shop because he was making his house. That was in the buffer zone. In what condition the body was found? Were there injuries on his body?
Yes, it was injured.
What kind of injuries?
It was throat cutted, and we still doesn't found his body yet. But as in the video, we see that his throat been cut. That's all we found in the video.
Your father was a patriot. What is the family thinking right now? Someone who has given his life for the infantry in the Indian Army. What are you thinking?
No, I can't still think of anything else right now. I'm totally blank right now.
He wanted you to join the Indian Army.
Yes.
What is the thought process?
I wanted to join the army and serve for this nation. And that is the thing I'm thinking right now. That's all.
You still have that courage, that zeal that you want to work for the nation. What is the message you want to give to those culprits, those accused who has done this heinous crime for your family? What do you want the government to do? Punish the culprits.
It's just the justice for my father, who has spent his life, whole his life, working for this nation. That's all I want for him to have as justice. That's all.
You heard a son who has lost his father. Certainly, we are talking about the patriot family. They are still attached to the emotions of serving the nation. His father has been brutally killed, but he wants to serve the country, the manner in which armed forces have been protecting innocent life here in the state of Manipur. With Vimal, Priyank Tripathi reporting from Manipur.